To transfer money from one bank account to another, start by opening the bank's website in your browser. On the main page, locate the login form. Enter your user ID and password, and then click the login button. After a few seconds, you should be directed to the dashboard of your account, where you can view your credit card accounts and bank accounts. Find the account from which you want to transfer money and click on the Make a Transfer button. On the transfer screen, select the account you want to transfer money from, and then choose the account you want to transfer money to. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and click on the Transfer button. You will then be taken to a screen where you can review the details of your transfer. And once you are satisfied, click the Schedule Transfer button. Unlike some other types of transfers, transfers between accounts at the same bank are typically effective immediately. Once the transfer is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been made. And that's how you can transfer money from one bank account to another.